Are you tired of dealing with dark spots, acne scars, pigmentation, and aging skin? What if there was a natural, affordable, and effective solution to these skin issues? Today, we are going to introduce you to a powerful secret that can transform your skin: the DIY Turmeric Serum. Turmeric, recognized for its bright yellow color, has been a part of traditional medicine for centuries, known for its excellent healing properties. The magic ingredient in turmeric is curcumin, an active compound with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. This potent compound aids in reducing redness, inflammation, and evening out your skin tone. So, how can you create this skin-transforming DIY turmeric serum? It's pretty straightforward. Firstly, gather your ingredients. You'll need turmeric powder, aloe vera gel, honey, and milk. Once you have these ready, it's time to mix them together. Combine these ingredients until you achieve a smooth and creamy consistency. Now the application part. Apply this serum to your cleansed face, gently massaging it into your skin. Let it sit for about 15 minutes, letting the serum work its magic, and then rinse it off with warm water. For the best results, use this serum 2 to 3 times a week. Over time, you'll notice your skin transforming. Dark spots will lighten, acne scars will fade, pigmentation will even out, and your skin will appear more youthful and radiant. Remember, it's always wise to do a patch test before using this serum, as turmeric can sometimes cause allergic reactions. So bid farewell to those skin concerns that make you feel self-conscious. The DIY Turmeric Serum is here to help you regain your skin confidence. It's a natural, affordable, and efficient solution for tackling dark spots, acne scars, pigmentation, and aging skin. We hope you found this DIY Turmeric Serum recipe helpful. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more skincare secrets and tips. Stay tuned for our next exciting video. Thank you for tuning in.